away. It's true, you don't know me, rich destiny. Don't me, raise me. Yeah, I'm a nomad, I can see the night, yeah. Can't imagine how it ever would have worked out. I'm a nomad, I can see the night, yeah. See the night, yeah, I can see the now. Say, I'm a nomad, I can see the night, yeah. Can't imagine how it ever would have worked out. I'm a nomad, I can see the night, yeah. See the night, yeah, I can see the now. Say, yeah, say, say, I'm feeling lovesick, but I kinda like it, feels like a trip. Got my temperature rising over you. I think you need a doctor, so do you. And I'm feeling you a lot 'cause of the way you say you don't want me to go. Put on a movie, then hold me close. You are my LSD, so I don't need ecstasy. And before I thought I was better alone. Never thought I'd say you know when you know I thought there'd be nobody but you. I want nobody, and I got straight to pieces for you. Can I stay with you? Do you feel strange too? Do you feel strange too?
What's a ferret? Hey Steve, what's a ferret? I'm messing with you. Good morning, guys. So, all right, we got Steve, we got Michael, Zach, Vadin, Vito, James, guys, Joshua, Bobby. Good morning, guys. Some early risers. You guys must have your caffeine with you already. All right, guys. So we just have about 5 minutes until the show starts. So go ahead, start getting comfortable. Say good morning to everybody. Talk about your stocks that you're going to be looking out for, and let me just get things wrapped up and not more wrapped up, but you know, let me finish getting things ready for the day here. to be looking out for. And alrighty, guys. So yeah, like I said, I'm just kind of getting myself situated. Good morning. Show starting in just moments here, but yeah, how's everybody doing so far, guys? Like, I've been waking up to like messages here and there around like, what is it, not just by like 5:20 or so, just people, I can't find the stream, where's the stream at, man? And I'm like, I'm gonna be right there, I promise you, just don't go anywhere. Like, yes, like, it is awesome to know that people are waking up, getting ready to go. Tasha, thank you for liking the stream. Things like that will help us get noticed in the groups, guys. So whenever you share the stream, liking it, commenting on it, things like that will shoot us straight to the top. All right, alrighty. So first thing right off the bat that I'm gonna feel a little terrible having to admit is, Zach, thanks for liking the stream, buddy. We had a scheduled interview guest today, which was Cesar Reyes, and it was a buddy of mine, and I am running to the issue of where I should have had a little hardware test prior. Dino, thank you for liking. Oh, not even just that, thank you for following, becoming part of the Stock family. Hell yeah. But yeah, some technical difficulties worked out where, you know, if I'm using my mic over here and that, it wasn't letting me use the messenger as simply as I was hoping to over there. So I'm going to double check if he has Zoom, if he possibly replies during the stream. Maybe we can get that Zoom conference going. Other than that, we, you know, it's just going to be a normal day today. But other than that, what's up, guys? Michelle, thanks for liking the stream there. All right. Yeah, so let me just do a quick few more strolling here, and we're gonna get our live screen brought up, and we'll be sharing everything we got going on the screen here. Hit follow if you haven't already. Hey, actually, let me do a little test question right here. I have some polls here. Hey, let me publish this. Does this work? Oh, let's see how that works out. I'm gonna publish myself a new poll for everybody to answer, and the question is, how are you doing this morning? Are you doing great, amazing, or are you still opening your eyes? Alrighty. All right. Oh, what's up, guy? Eno, I'm already seeing words about Eno. What is all this? Forge Surge, if anyone wants some software. Oh, Dino's got some software to show here. What is this? Never heard about that one yet myself. Fire define. What is going on? Oh, no. Eno is the coronavirus hype of the day. I don't think I can stomach another one right now. You know what, man? When it comes to those the hype trains on these cures, I was on it for the Sorrento, and it gained, and it got me my money, and I don't know if I could get myself back into it. What was it? Moderna got practically shamed on yesterday. So, you know, let's go ahead and turn the music down. Let's get this started, guys. First, let's start our little hype from our good old Shia LaBeouf.
Do it! Just do it! Don't let your dreams be dreams. Yesterday, you said tomorrow, so just do it! Make your dreams come true! Just do it! Some people dream of success while you're gonna wake up and work hard at it. Nothing is impossible. You should get to the point where anyone else would quit, and you're not gonna stop there. No, what are you waiting for? Do it. Do it!
All right. Let's get into this, guys. Good morning, everybody. Good Wednesday morning. We are there.
Just do
Shia
it!
LaBeouf. Rick, thanks for liking the stream, buddy. Shia just gave us a great start to the morning.
If you're tired
He's telling us how to embrace the day, guys.
Stop
Not so
giving
much of
up.
just do it. Not so much of let's not think and go and dive in. But you know what? Let's have today be the day where, you know what? We're going to learn the things we've been wanting to learn. Let's dedicate our time today to learning something new that we didn't know yesterday. If anything, maybe we could even learn to use a little restraint. Maybe today's not the day to buy some stocks. Who knows? But let's go, guys. Today's a new day. Let's see what we can do. All right. Let me... Nick, am I out of the Sorrento? I'm out of Sorrento for the moment. I even think I might jump. Like I said, it was a real tricky game to be playing right there. So what I think I might do is it might be at its new low, guys. Like, right? Like how can it not be by now? It's like what, $5 now? But no, Sorrento is a great what is it? A great stock that is it's a promised comeback. Its findings alone is amazing. They're on top of it. It's not like they're gonna have, what is it with Moderna? Of course, they move towards their next stages of tests, and sadly, like I'm hearing everywhere, they had cold water thrown on it. Maybe their what is it? Their findings are not as consistent as they thought. Whatever happened, it put Moderna just like they said, they put baby girl. Baby girl, what are you meowing at? All right. Sorry. My cat's named Baby Girl, by the way. So I'm not just saying, babe, why are you meowing at the walls, babe? Like, no, just heads up. All right. So, Moderna had its cold water thrown on it. It just put a whole type of damper on stock markets across because with what we've been seeing along the news is, with hopes of hopes of a virus, hopes of a cure, with that it rises the stock markets because everyone's like, all right, we're closer to having a little more stability, we're getting this, all that. And just because of that alone, the Moderna had some like cold water thrown on its findings. All of a sudden people are like, oh crap, which is a shame because, guys, like, have we not in the whole stock market been realizing that there's a plethora of options being thrown up right now, like to the point where we are giving certain permissions to be pushing forward with like trials and all that stuff? Like, what is it, Sorrento? Like, oh my goodness, guys, when Sorrento came out with how confident they were in their news, it may be a moment till the government focuses on them, falls back on them because they're late to the game. So they're probably thinking, oh, here's all these other ones we've already invested our stocks into. Let's deal with these ones first. But Sorrento feels genuinely there when it comes to having a product, since what they got their Covey Field and Covey Shield. Like, they have two, like there were more, like I believe they had like two other ways of bringing this out and rolling it out, but right now they have two surefire ways to a degree of knowing how to commercialize this, put it it's such a weird way to say commercialize when it comes to a cure, but when it comes to them being able to push it out, they are actually staying on par when it comes to other stocks and their companies being able to make the quantity that they need to push it out and things like that. Sorrento is already kind of behind them on the heels of just doing just that. And that's good to hear because, like, when it comes to what they have as their product right now, the Covey Shield, and how reactive they're saying this is, I don't believe this is going to go anywhere. Like, goodness gracious, like in 2 weeks, all of a sudden, like, I wouldn't surprise me too much to all of a sudden see, yes, the government is all of a sudden has their eyes on Sorrento. They finally started paying attention to the news. They're looking at its its 100% blockage rate. Like, how, like, that's amazing words right there. And it's what made it spike Monday. And what we should have all realized is with great articles is going to come with like that spike. I guess it wasn't up to the point where it was going to hold itself. I guess you need to be talked about in the White House press lawn briefings for that. But I guess it wasn't just enough to hold it, but it was enough to see its potential. And not even just that, that was its beginning potential, I believe. Like, if it comes out with, it is still going, like, $5 entry point here and now still sounds like a 3 times the amount, 4 times the amount of what you're going to get. Like, what was it? So Moderna, it was a $60 stock, and it shot up $20 overnight because of the news of it going into the trials, not passing the trials whatsoever, just going into the trials. Like, they did this weird power move, I believe is what it was also, where they were trying to sell stocks to a degree right before releasing their findings. And if I recall, like, I think there might even be some like insider trading like investigation. I should go further in on that one. AJ, thanks for hitting the follow on that one, buddy. Thanks for behind. Also, you know what? Let me just go down the list real quick. We have AJ, we have Cheryl. We also have D. Thank you for sharing the stream. But no, we have a lot of likes, a lot of loves, but we have that right there. Cheryl and AJ. Oh my goodness. Yeah, thanks for becoming part of the Stock family, guys. Welcome. So yeah, this whole game of man, the cure, race for the cure has been a mind boggle, a head just game all on its own. 2 seconds, I messed up already. Kashal, thanks for liking the stream, buddy. All right. Woo! All right. So yeah, it's been quite the roller coaster when it comes to our race for the cure, guys. So like I said, Moderna had that damper yesterday. Today, I believe Sorrento would be a great thing to pick up on. It's dropped as far as it can like go. I would believe, like, oh my goodness, I hate to say it to that degree, because oh my goodness, it went down to 6 or something, and then we're like, how can it go past 6? And it did, and it didn't break 4, did it? But regardless, like, I will admit, it took a bigger damper than I thought that one would have, and I think everyone thought the same. Alrighty. Alright. So yeah, Sorrento right off the bat. Let's look at that one here. After yesterday, even went down a little further after that. So we're at, and so yeah, $5. But like, guys, they have nothing but great stuff right here. $5 may be the perfect number to enter in that. Jesus. But they had that spike going up. But whenever they have their next trial, next news, hey Jesse and Nikki, thanks for liking the stream, guys. Things like that help us get noticed. But Sorrento, it's in for a comeback no matter when. It's just all about the next time they release some findings. It really is. Like, they don't have to actually say, yes, we've been approved, we're good to go, this or that. Like, they just need to have another great interview is what it is, and ride another news wave. As of right now, it seemed like it got buried. A whole lot of stupid stuff going on with stock market. So I think right now it's more just scalp Sorrento on the bottoms while you can. There's no wet water that's going to be thrown on Sorrento, I feel. Like, if anything, they kept talking about how it's one of the non-vaccine options, and there's very few non-vaccine options is what they're saying, because this could be just administered to you. It's what it is. It's not a cocktail. Like, well, one of them is for the antibody cocktail, but like, then I believe they said they had it. One of their methods is a non-vaccine method. So it like really kind of corners that market as well. It really shuts the anti-vaxxers up when you bring that one up, I'll tell you that. All right, moving on to comments, guys. All right, so we kind of we wrapped up what happened yesterday, what kind of we're going into today. I did have a few heads ups on a few stocks here. So Spotify, I hear, is doing a Joe Rogan exclusive for multi-year deal is what's been drawn up. And I don't know if it means it's got room to go up still. I believe it may. I think they are going to re-estimate how much revenue or anything Joe Rogan is going to bring them, and I think Joe Rogan could hold up Spotify all by himself. So I think that's going to be a real good one to be watching here. Hey, O'Keefe, thank you for liking the stream, buddy. Gets us noticed. So Spotify, yeah, new Rogan podcast, shares jump, and that was in the last day. I don't know if they jumped here and then settled. Maybe they still got $3 to go up because it'll meet its peak and then still rise. But no, with that news of Rogan, it's almost like, oh my goodness, it's good. Yeah, it's gonna find a new spot. So here, news of Rogan, boom. I'm gonna wait for that one to settle, but I'm pretty sure it's still gonna have room to build. It's gonna be an awesome one. Let's see. So that was the Spotify. I also saw there was one called Sprout. Sorry, that was the one we just clicked. Don't waste time, Prescott. Here we go. So we have this one right here is also another one I found, a 100% 6 analyst buy rating so far, and it's nothing for Sprout Social. It is an incorporation provides online social media management tools for businesses, and it offers communication tools, contact management, lead generation, and analytics services. It's only been around for like about 3 months, or like yeah, just about beginning of the year, and it's taking off, guys. Like this might even like it opened up at, what was it, like 25, 18. So I wouldn't go past me if it just doubled up because of, you know, it released at the right year is what it was. So it's probably worth twice as much as it is. And it's just still rolling out. It's boom, boom, boom. I think it could hit 36 and settle there. Like I might actually take out of what was it, that VTIQ, just because I just threw some like $200 on it just to hold it. And then so yeah, I'm gonna pull that out of here, maybe put it right in Sprout. I'm gonna pull out of Starbucks a little bit if it's in the plus, just like that was also holding it. I was hoping it was gonna be more of a bump over the night kind of a thing, but we'll see how that opens up. Because I want to take, yeah, this equity could be, yeah, no, so that's what I want to do. I want to take Starbucks, I want to put it into Facebook, and then I'm gonna have a little bit left over. And then what I would like to start doing with our group is I'm going to find a way to structure it of putting up polls and questions and things like that, to the sense of, hey, what should we put $500 in this week? And I'm thinking of having $500 every week that everyone helps me allocate where it goes. But like, albeit maybe we want to split it up here and there, maybe we just all want to invest it into one thing, and then throughout the week watch our stock grow in whatever we invested into and talk about. And then I think that would be a great experience to do. I think it could take off. And so yeah, like I said, I'm gonna pull that out there. I'm gonna have like $500. I'm gonna put another 1,000 to Facebook. I'll save that VTIQ, and yeah, and we'll probably discuss where should we put this $500 today. I'm thinking that Sprout, though, that Sprout's actually looking, you know what, let me put that on the list here. So hey, look at this, everyone's doing great, they say. Some of them's doing amazing, but some are still opening their eyes. Some don't have caffeine, is what it sounds like. All right. Hey, here's another question to ask here. I'm going to publish this one. Who is new to Stock Talk Live? Is this your first time, your first weekend, your second weekend, or your third weekend? So let me throw up that next question for everyone to answer. I would love to see what they have to do with that one. But yeah, I think Sprout Social, with how this is sounding, I'm going to put that in the group here. Let's put this in a poll. Create poll. What should we put 500 into? Let's see, so far Sprout Social is a good one. And let's continue looking from there. Portfolio, Sprout Social may be a good one. Let's look at oh, has anyone watched the Nano Dimensions take off? We've had great heads up of it in the group, and that's been awesome. Should I sell Moderna and take the loss? Dude, how much is the loss, buddy? I would say, you know, take the profit, but if you're holding at such a loss, depends. Like, you know, if you're looking at a total of maybe like $100 or $50 of a loss, or like depending, yeah, I would go ahead and cut the loss and just put it into something else possibly. But if it's a huge chunk where you're, you know what, there's been so much water on Moderna, it's almost like it is worth bailing almost, because it doesn't mean they won't do anything, but that article was damning, dude. Like, it, who knows how far it might drop. Genius, let's yeah, that's another one to put on here. Genius, that's the blah blah blah, that kids channel that's going to be partnering with Amazon, likely is what it is here. Where are you at, Genius? Okay, so we're gonna put that on Genius. Come on, dude. Oh, my head. Genius. Did I not spell genius? All right, whatever. Okay, Genius. I put that on there. It's okay. I remember when I hit the 130. That's when I wanted to get it. I mean, 127. That was the dip. You know what? Maybe that's enough of the dip. Should we just put 500 into Genius, guys? What do you think? Well, the only damper I think that would be is it's not so much of a short hold. This is more of wait till June 15th when they go live, and then yes, it will go up to like $2.50, $3 easy. Who knows? Like, but right now, great time to enter into the game for sure. But when it comes to the 500 of putting in for the week, maybe we can go towards something else. Eddie, -15. I say 500 to all the ones that's easier to yeah, dude. If that's all your losses, take it now, because I'd say it's gonna take a moment for Moderna to actually get better news to bring them back. Maybe real quick, let's look up Moderna here on the side. So we're looking this up for Eddie real quick, guys. He's asking if should he pull out Moderna and count his losses right now. Let's see what we got. When did you enter in at? Like you said, it was only gonna be a $15 loss. Yeah, like I would say pull that one out. Let's see here. Scientists raise more questions about vaccine. It's gonna, yeah, dude, they're gonna struggle hard for this whole day. It's gonna go nothing but further down, I believe. But yeah, keep an eye on the candlesticks and everything, man. But after yesterday, let's see here, guys. All right, let's see. I say 500 to all to one, so that's easier to track. Yeah, I think that might be just best. I'm gonna start writing down options down here in the corner. Maybe 1 month investments. Maybe, yeah, every month we'll put $500 into something, watch it grow. That actually sounds like an idea. Then we're not constantly moving things. That way, maybe we could put this one towards Genius and watch it all together. I keep saying Genius. My goodness. But yeah, maybe we can put this all towards Genius to see how that comes for the open. That will be one of ours. So I'm going to have our poll made. So Sprout Social is one of them. Genius will be one of them. Let's see. What else we got, guys? Put in my first day. Yeah, BS, buddy. Yeah. All right. You know, how's that? Let's see. 46 votes doing. Let's see who is new to StockTalk Live. Active results so far. So far, we have 3 votes for first time, first week in. We have a lot of people doing the second weekend and third weekend. Things like this are just like, it's awesome, guys. Like how I can't even explain how amazing this is. All right, so let's keep this going here. Hold on to Genius. Yeah, if you are on Genius right now and you got in it, hold it. You're gonna make money regardless. Just don't ask questions about it. Hold it all the way till the day after they release, at least, and see how they do from then. There'll be I say major spike prior, like the day of. Sell it tip of spike. If you believe in it enough, buy it again on the low. But yeah, don't put all back into it. You would just want to take profits, put a bit back into it because you know you have faith in it. All right. Can you give me your AMC? Okay, AMC, yeah, let's look at that. So AMC, the only reason I believe AMC first got the whole notoriety that it had was there was this moment where they were saying there's these talks of AMC and Amazon possibly merging together, or Amazon buying out AMC. It's AMCX, not AMC Entertainment. AMCX is AMC Networks. I'm pretty sure there was a confusion when this was going out big where, the AMC is going to be bought by Amazon. It was AMCX. They got the symbols messed up. And so when AMCX is networks, so entertainments is the theaters. Hey, D, thanks for sharing the stream, buddy. But AMC networks, this channels, this is where they were having the talks about. So if you had 1 week ago, the talks about Amazon, things like that. Look at all that. That's the Amazon talk, because they realized, oh, we're talking about the wrong AMC. So this one turned around a little bit. But when it comes on to the AMC and the merger talks of Amazon, I'm not on those ones yet. But no, keep an ear on those guys. But seriously, do your research, because like I said, that AMC news was released with it like about a week and a half ago or so, and AMC shot up, and here we go. And then there was this reiteration in an article saying, you know, we messed up. It wasn't AMC, it was AMCX. And so there's things like that. They happen. All right, let me get caught up here on the Tosh is on the first week, right on. Diane is on her third week. So like we got some great OG family members up in here. And if you guys aren't part of, tongue's falling out, the Stock Talk 2020 Family Gathering group, that is an amazing Facebook group to be part of. It is one of the best stock groups around to be part. I only say that because this is a non-judgmental, it is a lending hand, helping zone. It is completely tailored around that family experience. So if you're not part of that yet, you can easily find it through anybody here. Anybody could help you find it if you're going to ask about it. But I hope to, anybody that's here for the first time, we can easily make a regular out of you. We do this Monday through Friday, 5:30 every day. And so I hope that we can, you know, start something new between us here, especially if it's your first time. All right, guys. First week, heck yeah, look at all this right here. Even Zach's on his second, Lori's on her second. Oh, this is amazing, guys. Oh, look at all this. All right, now we're having a lot of good feedback here. This is great. All right, so what else can we add down to our what can we purchase for $500 today, right? Hey Brad, thanks for sharing the stream. Seriously, guys, sharing the stream is how we get more eyes in these streams, and doing that gets us more family members. And don't you want a bigger family, guys? Because that's how you get a bigger family. All right, let's see. DraftKings is hovering around 30, which is still a great price to buy at, because I could picture going to 35 easy at one point. You just got to wait for that news, moving closer to it. If you see it dip at 28, 27, even 29, like if you see it do that dip, 27 and under, right there, not and under, 27. So just right under that 30, grab it, because it's going to go right back to that 30. Let's see. Apple, you moved on to 315. Let's see. Gilly, Disney went up to 116. I got rid of Disney yesterday after it's, you know, had its open. Great. Boom. Gone. Let's see. Play. Beyond. You know what? Oh, I love Beyond so much. I feel like Beyond can get there, man. Like I'm waiting for them to break the next barrier of their let's see, what is it, their threshold right there, because they've been breaking 140 is like their new spot. It's been 130 for a good while. It was at 115, 120. You watched it rise. Beyond Meats, I think it has potential. Andrew, thank you for sharing the stream. Hell yeah, guys. Tristan, thanks for being part of the Stock Talk family. Welcome. But yes, Beyond Meats, I believe has potential. Oh my goodness. Like, mark my words, in the next year, it's easily going to hit 160. I can believe that for sure. It'll hit 160. I think it has potential to go to 190, 200. Once, like, if it finds its niche, it can really stay around it. But I believe this year it'll hit it. It might not stay there, but it'll hit it for sure. But it would be there already, I firmly believe, if it wasn't knocked down by article after article after article. Because it kept proving around after the necessity, the need for this market. Well, especially, it's not just in the US, guys. Over in the Asian markets, Beyond Meats is doing amazing. All right. So, but Beyond Meats is going to be just nothing but expansive. It's going to find its niche during this year. It's going to do nothing but expand here on out. So I am excited to watch Beyond Meats do its thing. It's more of just always been kick myself in the butt about when and where, you know. Let's see. So, what else can we add to here? Hey, Fahim, thanks. Fahim. Welcome to the family, buddy. I hope to see you around. All right. Always come back. We do this every day. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead. Like I said, I think we're gonna sell the Starbucks. So I'm gonna do this quick because we're gonna get the poll put up for what we're gonna put that $500 in, guys. Dude, I know Beyond Meats always gets just like they think they're gonna put it in their place and it comes right back. Let's see. All right, 76.78 was my average cost. I was hoping it was just gonna stick there and sell today for just like $5, like here. But you know what? It's being a little screwy. Let's yeah. Let's just get you out of here. See, this is what I'm doing right here, guys. This is not a normal thing that I would recommend to do. Pick and choose, moving around. I have just extra cash on the side that I am trying to move this around specifically for the stream. So don't go just saying like willy-nilly this, that, willy-nilly this, that. Look up your charts, guys. Look up your candlesticks, see what's happening and everything. Starbucks, like I said, it just didn't shoot up like I was expecting it to overnight a little bit. And when I do this, I'm holding a very firm belief in woulda, coulda, shoulda. I'm not going to go back to Starbucks and go, oh man, look how it shot up $80 or whatever. Even though someone might like bring it up to me and say, hey, look how you lost out on $80 per share. Baby girl, what are you doing? You don't want to be a part of this? No? You want to just get rid of me? All right, fine. I see how it is. All right. But yeah, no, when it comes to Starbucks, I'm just going to pull this one out. I'm going to have some extra to the side here for just what I've been talking about. This, let's invest together $500 towards something. Dal, let's see what's up, Zach. We're gonna look up some Delta Airlines for Zach real quick, see what's going on this end. Okay, we got it's still going on its up incline. It had its dip, I believe that was a dip overnight is what this was. 18th, 19th, 20th, came right back up, so don't stress about that. Because even though that dip looks right here on the end of yesterday, it came back from it overnight, so it held steady. I think we're gonna go right back to that 2253 mark easy within the next 2-3 days here. Yeah, oh yeah, easy. No, Delta's coming back, guys. I think this might be that moment where airlines are starting to turn around slowly but surely. We're gonna open up flights here. Like, as much as people are saying how it sounds like it's too early and all that, it's happening. So that's as much as we can say to that. Flights are slowly moving out now. What is it? Even though here's another thing to think about also when it comes into oil and all that stuff. Planes are going to they're going to try to have them no more filled than so many percent, like 40%, 60%, whatever it was. So that means more planes flying, more fuel used, all that. They actually say they're going to fill more ticket times in just to compensate for less crowded planes. US Foods. Now we're gonna look up US Foods for Kyle here. Kyle, when did you get on this? Are you in on this? I think US Foods will be a great with everything opening back up. Oh, dude, yeah. Let's see. Good little bump here, huh? Yeah, with everything up 30 mark. You know what? I think so too. Yeah, with things opening back up, how can it go bad, right? Only a 8 analyst rating of 75%, but it's still buy and hold. It's like let's see, 519 as of yesterday, fair value 30. I think this may rise. So you know what? I'm gonna put that on the list as well. Maybe oh no, where's my poll? I had a poll being made. Oh, son of a gun. All right, what should we put 500 in? We had Sprout, we had Genius, we have US Foods. I think US Foods is a great one because like you said, we're gonna open up with the country and it's just slowly gonna just come back. It might not even be to full, but it'll be back to, you know, it's gonna come up. Oh, Penn, actually, that was another one I was told about. And National Gaming. Overnight, $2 up, $5. Let's see, 35, $10 per. You know what? 3 months here. 38, 13. I think so. I'm gonna throw this 500 here. And it's almost like I know I'm all right. Add option, Penn, National Gaming. Let's see. All right. Okay, I'll only do 4 answers. All right. You know what? Let's do it. For today's episode, I'm going to give us $500 to allocate for the next month. Will it be Sprout, Genius, US Foods, or Penn National Gaming? Like, Penn National Gaming does sound a little more riskier than others, only because, like, you know, you can close places back down. 1830, we're at 25. Let's see. Alrighty. NV, oh, dude, Nano tanked? No, Nano didn't tank. Nano took its sharings off its good news, just like Soretto did. So let's take a look at NMDM. Nano Dimension. So Nano Dimension's not tanking. If anything, they're pre-market. Everyone's getting their good money in. Let's see. I wonder if what they'll open up at. If anything, I might put Nano Dimensions at a small. So what happened with Nano Dimensions? They had a breakthrough with 3D printing. So now they can 3D print circuit boards is what it is. So that's an amazing breakthrough. I don't think they're gonna go too far down. Like I might put like a 220 buy like on this one. Like no. All right. I'm gonna put up my question for what should we put $500 in. This will be for 1 month. This right here portfolio, like I said, ooh, Starbucks went up a little bit higher here. Let's see, last price 76, 70. VitQ grew up to 26. I only have 5 shares of that. Bought at 24. Like nothing big on this one. If you're in VitQ, save it. Do not take it out. Hold it in there. It is a great thing to have. I am just pulling out $26. You know, actually, what is it rising up to? Good hit. Prior. Yeah, you know, it's coming up very well. But yeah, I'm just gonna take the little bit out so we can do ours. And NDM. So yeah, that nanotechnologies, I believe in it. Wait for the sell dip to go because that's what's happening right now. But no, they made the breakthrough with 3D printing circuit boards, man. Like, come on. VTIQ. Gonna do this stuff. You know what? Maybe, yeah, let's see. Portfolio, everybody. Starbucks. So it's pre-market right now, guys. So we're gonna move around a little bit. So hopefully I don't lose too many eyes. What we're gonna do is kind of just reallocate, like I said. Let's see. Starbucks 76.78. Make quick $1, $20, whatever. Like I said, Starbucks is a long hold one too. Sell. Oh, it already did it? Cool. Wait, I'm so confused. Oh, where's my cell phono? 0 shares. I think it was set up for something here. All right, ba-doop-ba-doop-boo, Starbucks. Cancel order there. 688, sell. Oh yeah, let me refresh this. So yeah, what I'm gonna do is sell this, put it into Facebook, and also have that 500 left over for what we're gonna do here. Okay, review order, sell. Genius. We're gonna go to Genius Brands. All right, look at that pre-market going down a bit, which is not bad. It's like I said, like we've already seen it go down to these marks, 120, blah. And Genius is going to have its big thing in, like I said, the 15th of next month is the shine. But let's go ahead and put just like that. How many shares? Let's see, 400, 350, 375, 376, 377, 379. Look at that. Okay, 379 shares to buy 500. It's still going to do this way for a moment. Let's do this. Let's look at its chart. It's hit as low as 124. So how about a buy limit order lower than what it's at currently, because it could do that. 122. How about 122? So for 375, we could get more actually. Look at that. Um, 475, 425. All right, that allowed execute during extended hours. Review. Buy. All right. Oh, holy smoke! All right. So show results. Cool. All right, so this is our results, guys. We have votes for Genius. Going hella hard on the Genius. All right, so we went ahead, got that. I have it at a purchase order, so it didn't make it just yet. Only if it drops a little more. That way, no matter what, we're always in the green. I was wondering if Robinhood Gold was worth it. Belinda, Robinhood Gold is completely worth it. Just the mere fact that you can look at the orders broken down is just something else. One moment here. 223, good pre-market. Sell Facebook, buy Facebook. You know what? Portfolio. Amazon. Maybe it'll just be Amazon. I don't have enough buying powers for Amazon. All right, fine. Free. You only have enough buying power to purchase no shares. Please deposit. Oh. That's right. So because of my 1,000 withdrawal, even though I have so much buying power, it's because I can't go below so much on my margin maintenance right now. So my margin maintenance is initial requirement 7,800. All right, yeah, we're gonna get to that easy. All right, cool. Amazon, look beautiful. Portfolio. Do you have any suggestions on, David's asking, on trading groups that discuss stock trading only and is more professional than these Facebook groups that I'm a part of that are filled with pump and dump losers? It's depressing. Let's see, David, that sounded pretty vague in that sense. Let's see. Do you have any suggestions on trading groups that discuss stock trading only? That's more professionals. All right, David, is this the guy that was shitting on Cesar's, let's see, stock choices, I believe. Let's see. No, I'm more of pump and dump losers. So, nah, I hate to say it like that. No, man. I'm more of steady safe, but if it comes with a pump and dump, I see it happening. I know how to take advantage of them, but that happens. I hate to say it that way. But man, when it comes to groups, you can only go on Facebook and hit groups and just start searching names, bud. Let's see, portfolio. All right, that's going to just hold as is. The 500 is not going to be touched until Sprout dumps a little lower, which I'm sure it will because it's... oh, sorry, not Sprout, Genius. Actually, I might even touch Sprout a little bit right here before it goes up again. So, yep, I have it as a buy for like 120 something here. It's at 130, going to do its dip. So I think that was a good on my end. If it doesn't buy it, it doesn't buy it because it didn't go low enough. Like, it's not a bad thing. Sprout Social is another amazing one that I'm seeing here. Maybe I can just put, maybe buy 20 of these. Do low trading volume, allow during extended. You know what? Oh, yeah, review order. Enter valid price. 27, it's rated 13, 14. Look at the last week. 20. Dump, sell, buy. It might be a dump, sell. But it's a big purchase. Maybe I might just put a purchase on this for 26. Let's see. I think so. This is the group right here. All right, can you check out IRV, or sorry, IVR. But yeah, that Sprout one's gonna take off as well. Investo Mortgage Capital. Let's see, buddy. We are looking at something that has in the last week come up from 145. Popped at that 330, but coming back. So it's doing good. It's just doing a dump sell right now because of the what is it? I assume at a 52-week high. March all the way. Yeah, it's going through its high right now. It's been a moment, so they're gonna dump that and move. Great projections. Investo, let me look here. IVR. Stock news. The price are justified by its earnings 2 hours ago. And capital stock trading around 3. What's next? About to get hot 1 day ago. Yeah, so it's sounding like it's gonna do healthy, but I think it's gonna experience its next dump share right now. Right, because like I said, it was a moment since it had its profits. It's gonna do it and come back. Now the next thing to do is watch the candlestick of when that'll pull back. I think it's gonna hit around here. There. Yeah, it could come back around soon here. But watch the candlestick on that one. If you're not one to be watching candlestick guys, or you don't know where to go to look at it much, of site I use is my whoopsie daisy. Let's see, tradingview.com. That's right. Okay. So we have that here. And you're asking about IVR. So we would pull up IVR right here. Okay, great. Yeah, it's just doing a dump right now from earnings. So if you want to watch it, a few more green lines right here, green, green, green. It's showing that traction, but yeah, it's gonna come right back around, and I would say easy to the 336 again, and then pass it because that's what it's doing right now. All right, Cleaneth, what? You are late. Oh my goodness, you're like a whole 42 minutes late. Where were you? Did you have to drink some more? I don't know. Oh, one moment, guys. David, did you just say you didn't want to be surrounded by losers? Hey, there are no losers here. Bear that in mind right here, right now. There are no idiots in this group. There's only people that we're going to be able to help in this group, all right? So let's get that mentality out of it, because if you are going to be looking for it, I'm sure you're going to find just that in here somewhere. But we're not going to shit talk that. We're also not going to down talk that. That's not what we're here for. All right. Eno, we were already talking about that a little moment. Let me recall on that. Oh, with the Innovio. You know, actually, we did not touch Innovio today. But don't get me wrong, though, David. I appreciate you having here. I want you part of the stock fam, man. But just know that what we're finding around here is this is more of beginner, feel good and all that stuff. If you're looking for a hardcore, only the elites and things like that, I'm pretty sure there's something called stock market elites or something out there. As far as what I know is in the niche, I just know what I got, my little thing that ended up filling up pretty quickly. So this is what we have over on this end. If anyone does know a group that could help David out, that'd be awesome to help him out with that. But yeah, when it comes to this end, you're gonna find a lot of those stock drop losers and all that stuff here. Not saying that we're filled with them. We're filled with learners, beginners is what we have. So you're going to see people making mistakes. So I would hate for you to be here and confuse those people making mistakes with losers and idiots and things like that. All right. So I just want to kind of lay that out real quick. All right. So, oh my goodness, the Sorrento is officially below 5. All right. So yes, guys, you know what? When it comes to Sorrento, like I said, it's going to drop. It's going to do its wave. This is what stock markets do. What you did was guarantee your ticket. All right. Don't look at it as right now. Yes, you bought all of your stuff for like 550, all that stuff. We're scalping it, dude. Sorrento is something that can come back easily. Like we've seen all the interviews from them. We've seen how much promise their product can bring. So don't worry on this. We're just waiting for the next wave of news for them to push things out. All right. I really feel like Sorrento can come back around. So don't fear on that one. Hell yeah, David. No, I'm glad to hear you on that level. Right on. But yes, Sorrento, yeah, it's doing its dip. It's going further. What I'm thinking may happen is give it a week. Because I don't think there's going to be any information within a week. If anything, like they had their weekend of interviews, all this stuff, great. But they're going to need a moment to have anything else new come out. So between this new then and there, you will see this. It's going to do this. It's not going to drop 450 and stay there. Even right before the week leading up to when you think, it's been a moment, it's going to come right back around. Like But yeah, just don't fear hard on Sorrento. When it comes towards stocks that you know will need a month, 2 months, like things like that. Like, guys, these are what is it? These are vaccine stocks right here. These are stocks that need time, need news to help it grow. And so what we're doing is finding the vaccines and things that work, the ones that we believe in, and we're gonna find it at the lowest price that we can get it at, and things like that. All this fluctuating, this is the stock market, guys. Don't go, oh crap, it broke 5, oh it broke 6. It's going to. Wait till the news comes back, guys, and it's gonna have that next spike. Like, imagine our spike of just saying, hey, they had something that was effective 100%, got it up to $10. Imagine it once they say, you know what, we're pushing it forward. Like Moderna just shot up $20 for just saying we're moving on to the next step. Like, they didn't even have answers. All right, it's going to come back up. This is all about scalping it at the right price, is what I believe this could be. But as far as that goes, as I have faith in Sorrento itself, as in what they have discovered. All right. As far as the stock market goes, it's going to be fluctuant, as the stock market is, guys. I think the news for Penn was good. Let's see. Penn. Oh, it did that little. Here, you know what? Actually, do I have anything? All right. Portfolio looking good. Let me refresh that. So far what we got looking at, guys, sorry, just doing a quick little look at now. Average down as much as possible. Should I keep the average down? Oh yeah, you know what I'm thinking about, because you know what, it's dude, like, you don't have to put more into it at this rate. It's more of like, yeah, it's gonna come around. But look at what's coming around today and things like that, man. Like, what can make you $5 profit till tomorrow and things like that? Because nothing, like I said, nothing is guaranteeing that Sorrento's might not dip 70 more cents, 50 cents here and there. Like, it's almost at a point where you just kind of got to realize, like, is it worth? Like, I get it. With stock market, you get back what you put in. I get it. But I wouldn't say there's moments where you should just be like balls to the walls, all in. Like, you should take that very carefully, very safely. And when it comes to Sorrento, I don't know if it's just that just yet. Like, have stock in Sorrento. Don't put all your stock in Sorrento. You want to see other lines moving during the day, guys, not just one. Let's see. So like right now I got the Facebook, Walmart. You know what? Something tells me Penn just shot straight up that it didn't touch it. Let's see here. Penn, I put it on at 25.60. It's at 25.65 right now. You know what? Let me cancel that. 25.65. Yeah, I'm gonna buy some Penn at its price maybe here. What do you think? 25.65 is what that's at. I got that all fixed. Genius is 132. I tried buying it at that 122. Go back down maybe. 129. I think 122 is a great entry purchase to get into Genius. Just that way it's always on the green, or at least more likely on the green while it's coming up. I believe it will dip to it and grab. Hey Jerry, welcome to the stock family, man. Thanks for hitting that follow. All right, everybody, welcome Jerry, welcome him in. All right, let's see what we got. So yeah, Genius doing its thing. Walmart, you doing your thing. You coming back up. All right, good, beautiful, beautiful. Genius, you do your thing. What do we all decide to buy into? Genius, right? Okay, so like I said, we're buying into Genius, but right now it's doing a little game. of where it wants to settle by. It's got a big buy on 129, 130. Let me delete my stuff. 129, 130. You know what? Let's just put it in right now. 450, 400. Market order. Let's pull up Genius right here. But yeah, so what we're gonna do, guys, I had the stream choose what we're gonna put $500 into. We're gonna put it into Genius. Yeah, all right. Buy, market order, limit order, continue. We're at 133 right now. Let's put it at 130. Extend. How many do we want? 400. Now let's see. That's $520 worth. Let's see here. Pre-market, 1 month. It's on its way. Yeah, grab it. Okay. So yeah, Genius, we're gonna grab it 130, just because I believe we're looking at this line, grab line again. 128, 125, 130. Grab 128. Easy grab 128, 125. All right. You know what? Actually, I think Genius is gonna dip to like 125 easy, and then kind of do a little flip around. Geez, Genius, you're actually being more fluctuant than I would have thought. But yeah, it's still early of the day. So yeah, we have our, what should we put $500 into? Genius is what everyone's saying. US Foods, Sprout, Penn Gaming, Genius. All right. All right. So we're gonna go ahead. Let's pull up the Genius bar graph. This is how you know when to enter into things, guys. You're gonna pull up your Alex. Welcome to the stock family, buddy. Everybody, welcome, Alex. All right. What is it? Not IVR. What are we looking? Genius. I say Genius because I'm like reading the symbol, but it's Genius. All right. Okay, let's see here. Ooh, a lot of green, actually. A lot of green going up on that way. You know what? I'm just gonna snag it now. Genius. Well, like that was over last night, I believe. Wasn't it? Did it have its dump already? Okay, it did this. I'm down to here. Bam. It did have its sell. Oh yeah, so grab it. Just, I don't care at what price. Boom, boom. 130. Forget it. It's just 3 cents, guys. We're gonna grab it. Good for the day. Boom, 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 boom. Buy. Oh, I lost a penny. Oh well, whatever. Like I said, these fluctuate. That's how it happens. We got Genius. We're in on it, guys. All right, we can watch that one for 1 month. I'm gonna do my best not to touch it. That'll be for us as a group together to watch for the next month. Oh yeah, Lucky Coffin's trading again. All right, after a month of investigation. Oh my gosh, that's what it was. Investigation is what they were going on for that. Jeez. All right. Jerry, thanks for liking the stream, buddy. Seriously, whenever you guys like the stream, whenever we get shared or posted up to a group or anything of the sort, liking the stream is what makes us go pew. That is awesome. So yeah, I believe Genius is gonna hold until June 15th, and then it goes shoots up, and that's just it. So we're just gonna hold that for 2-3 weeks. It's no money, no going nowhere. Facebook is still up and high. We got out of Starbucks for the day just for that. Amazon going up. Do we just keep buying Amazon as it goes down? Let's see. 2,000. Oh, I don't have enough to buy one more. All right, so Facebook it is. So Facebook, we're gonna go over to its bar graph to see when the hell we want to get inside of it. Facebook. Facey Facebook. Come on, dude. You one of my firsts? Okay, down. Coming back up. 120, 122 by 8, 9. Fine, I'll get 4. Oh, did you miss it? Oh, I got it. Okay. Okay. Like it went up 5 cents. All right. Okie dokie. So, I got a little more Facebook, a little more no, Amazon's good. So we got our genius to watch together. All right, guys. This is your money, all right? We're watching you. If this is in the red, I'm going to be like, "Hey guys." Nah, I'm joking. All right. But no, that'd be a fun one to watch. Seriously, average cost 133. We've been watching it do a crazy little roller coaster. But yeah, no matter what it drops to, trust me guys, even I can see this dropping to $1, all right? I can see it happening. It can happen. I'm just saying, you know, I'm not going out of the way to say it won't or anything. I'm just embracing. I just know that it will come back up next month, all right? By how much? Who knows? All right. So yeah, get that collection going. What can we put into Walmart? You're on your way back, you son of a gun. Can I buy 4 more of those? Like, you gonna let me do things like that? I can only purchase 0 Walmart. I'm so confused why it's letting me do little things like that. I think I've moved around enough. I'm forgetting how much money I'm moving around easily. I think I already moved around 5,000. So that's what that is. Let's see. Regardless, I bought you at 24. Let me just sell you off. You're not doing nothing for me. Just sell it. I don't care at what at. Just there you go. Sell. Yeah. All right. Portfolio. Alrighty. So I got money just sitting in the account. I don't want to use all of my margin, even though it says you can do it. You don't want to do it. Unpaid interest, $10. That ain't nothing. I'll have more day trades tomorrow. Margin maintenance, 4,200. So as long as I have $4,200, we're gonna be just fine. And I have a feeling it might go up. So like I said, Facebook, gonna just do nothing but keep breaking records because it's freaking Facebook. It's just we're in the front of its like, did it top it? 22, 23. Like, just keep doing your thing. There's gonna be a moment here where Facebook may do a dump and just come right back, but it's on its way. That's all that matters. It's trajectory, guys. What do you think of the IVR? That Investo Mortgage Capital? Oh, it's still going down a bit. Let's see. Pre-markets, it's holding a little bit. Is it holding after that drop? 20. You had the drop already overnight. Yeah, you know what? Possibly. Maybe jump on it now pre-market and it might just shoot right back up. I don't know how much lower it can go. I think it might find its resistance around maybe this line, 289. So it might still have a moment to drop. But Investo Capital, yeah, it's like I don't think anything's happening where IVR is being bankrupt soon or anything. So let's look up the stock news again, right? So what we look up is how do we get hot? Let's see, 1 week ago, 2 weeks ago, 5 days ago, 3 hours ago, 1 day ago. Let's look up, no, we go tools. This is nothing I do. We'll look up recent. We'll look up past hour. Nothing. Past 24 hours. Okay. 3 hours, 2 hours, 30 stocks moving in Wednesday's pre-market sessions. Okay. Let's see how this is rolling here. Nano Dimensions, of course, but then we saw Nano go the other way around for a little sell off is all that was. Actually, let me look at Nano again. Nano Dimensions here. Yeah, no, it's good. It was gonna have a sell-off and then come back, but let's see, shares. Is it gonna let me do it? I don't think it will. Let's see. Nano. You know what? I don't even think it'll let me do that. Let me just do like 100. A good day for 100. Your order will be executed. You know what? Actually, let's just do it. Oh, wait a minute. Think about. You know what? I'm gonna do it. I can only purchase 37. All right, well, give me 37. All right. Well, let's hope it keeps going up a bit. Like I said, that was quite the. Oh shoot, that's pretty volatile. All right. Oh well, like I said, they had a great dang it, what is it? Breakthrough with that 3D printer. Let's look it up actually. 3D news. Achieve breakthrough. One day ago, starting working with Nano Dimensions, provider of intelligence, nearly triples on heavy volume after a breakthrough, a 3D printing circuit board. Like that's actually big as hell. Like that might actually keep going up for a moment until they decide to sell their idea, I guess. Like portfolio. Oh, did it not grab? Used. I ain't stressing if it didn't, but I could still picture it going on its way up, so that's a shame. All right, guys, that's what I think of IVR. Let me quickly look at what I have here in my itinerary on this side. Genius Brands doing its little wave. An NDM. Oh, I had that for 369 was my market buy. Why do I have a market buy? NDM. Nano Dimensions, son of a gun, dude. I want to buy limit order 350. There's. Oh, it only let me do like 37, right? All right. It's so spiked up. I'm gonna put it at $3. Maybe. No, maybe it's still gonna go up. You know what? Jump on Nano Dimensions if you feel like it, guys. Read into it. I'm gonna hold back. I was iffy about like if it's gonna go up or down, but you know what? I don't need the stress. No reason to have stress. All right, Genius Brands. It looks like it's actually not, I wouldn't say struggling to stay alive. It's more of it's looking healthy because people are knowing to keep an eye on Genius all the way through. Like everyone's like they're keeping it healthy. They're not letting it go all the way back down to what it was right here before the merger. None of that. Like they are trying to stay on top of it. Everyone's realizing how good of a opportunity this one will be. Homework. Name software or sites that you use to help you for picks. That's actually an awesome question right there, Nick. Yeah, guys, like, you know what? I would like also people in the chat to bring up sites that they use, graphs they use and such. But me, when it comes to, that was a quick little turn right there, but regardless. So what tools I like to use, of course, when I'm in my Robinhood is I like to expand it and use candlesticks. Always use candlesticks. Not even just that, I'll use order books. So we can see how heavy the sell is compared to the buy. So right now, look at this. We got a lot of people wanting to buy it more so than selling it. So that is an awesome, healthy look right here. You can look over at the order books. Order books tells you how many people are ordering it. It's kind of like the exact same graph right here, but in numbers. So look at this buy. Look at all that traction. And look at all that sell. And it's less traction as it was. You get to see by the thousands, but they're also purchasing by the thousands. Genius is going to be an amazing... I like Genius. Genius will be good. We're going to hold that. It might find its new price around $1 to $1.30 for a good 2 weeks maybe. But this one's all about the turnaround, all right? So we got Genius in there. We got Walmart. We got Amazon, Facebook. Beautiful. I'm pretty sure that already went through. Did Facebook not purchase? Let me see. Oh, son of a bitch. I mean, son of a gun. Oh, darn. Yeah, what happened, man? I guess. Oh, well, then I bought the rest. And okay, there we go. 4. I just sworn I did that when it was $3 cheaper, but whatever. All right. So now we're up to 17. Facebook, Amazon, Genius, and Walmart. All right, Walmart, you being silly, dude. It's doing another. They're doing another quick sell, but it's coming up. It's gonna go back to 130 and above because it's Walmart. That's how progression happens. It's they're gonna own everything one day, along with Amazon. All right. No, I think things are great right now. Genius could do a little better, but it's only because it's, you know, ever so fluctuating. It's only going to be better every day up closer to the release, so don't worry about that. So far today, we're making 264 to whatever, you know, I'm making more than I would have going into work today, so that's cool. All right, guys. Oh, so sorry. I was breaking down on tools and software and sites. Tradingview.com is my go-to for my candlesticks and everything. When it comes towards looking up news on stock targets, I will come over to here. I use MarketBeat a lot. Oh, Target. It might be a quick grab right here. 1 second. Everyone look at Target real quick. They had their release earnings boom, boom. What was their earnings like? I just missed it. So that's why it's going to be a 68.59 per. So decent drop just real quick for the grab. I think that drop may have actually already happened. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, I got nothing for Target. All right. But yeah, no, Target's going to come on the up and up. That's going to be a beautiful buy. Lowe's beat sales estimates. Lockdown spurs home improvement spending. That's awesome. No, like people are like, I am so proud to see the stock market doing the way it is, because like it's yeah, we're all on stay home and things like that, but it just means reallocate. We can make these things happen easy. So Genius, you're gonna do your little wave. Like I said, that may go down a bit. I hope Amazon keeps climbing. I want Amazon to break 2,500 so hard. That'd be awesome. Because like I just got 4 shares in there. I feel like, because if it breaks 2,500, it's going up to 2,700 like that. It's just gonna, because it's the next marker point. People are gonna be like, oh, jump on it quick. They're gonna let it rally. We're gonna sell it. We're gonna rebuy it, and that's gonna be the game. Actually, probably should just set Amazon for sell once it gets to 24.99, because I'm pretty sure. Let's see it. No, I think it might break it, guys. Look at this. This is where our previous ceiling was, 24.68. Wow, guys. I think we broke it. I think it did. I think Amazon may fly today, guys. It's a possibility. Yeah, look at that. It is breaking records. That is awesome. I am so glad I'm on this train. All right. Oh, Robinhood, what? Oh, so sorry. Yeah, so Robinhood is the app I use for my trading. It's Robinhood Gold is the best thing ever, because it's just $5 more in your trading app, and it's giving you so much more information on that. But let's see here. It's so weird to say, because I should utilize more tools for sure, but my method is a lot of looking up news at all times of the day, seeing like what will reflect. Beyond Meat gets a new fan who says the stock can rise 24%. Oh shit, guys! In the last in the last day. All right, so Moderna stock really headed to 112. That was in the last day. That ain't happening no more. 67. You know, it's still. I don't even know. Let's see. Blah 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 blah. Sync says COVID costs off gains set from Target. Target's just gonna drop and then it's gonna equal out again. But yeah, Beyond. No wonder it was doing so beautiful. It had that endorsement. It's gonna break 160 easy. Should I just purchase one and just watch it and sell it tomorrow for the hell of it? Because the tests we're touting were no good. Broke its high for the year. Yes, it did. I cannot wait for it. Yeah, Moderna. Why is Moderna taking a dump? Yeah, in the last after the markets closed yesterday, practically, they said that their findings weren't as steady of findings as they were hoping they'd be. Yeah, 130 was a great purchase for Beyond Meats. 140 is iffy. No, it's not really iffy. It's more just when it goes up to 150, 160, but you got to keep an eye on it because it will get there. They'll get pooped down by articles and they'll drop down again, but they will get back up to it. But if you want to get your instant profits, you know, watch it. I'm gonna just have one little Beyond right there just to watch it. Ooh-doo-doo-doo-doo. Oh, I think it affected my little upski, but I don't think that's bad. I think tomorrow maybe Beyond Meat. You know what? Beyond Meat may very well just go back down to 130. But you know what? It may very well go up to 160 by tomorrow. But I have no problem losing $10 for a possible $20, $10 gain. That'd be cool. And it's more of I believe in Beyond Meat. I wish I just had my 510 sitting there since it was at 120 back in the day. All right, cool. Genius 129. You're still doing your thing. Up, uppity, up. Yep. All right. Just keep looking pretty, guys. Okay. Coming back over to the chat. Sorrento doing its thing. What do you mean by that, buddy? Are people falling back on it because getting further? Oop. Doing its thing. Yeah, this is just Sorrento's new thing. So like I said, this is going to be Sorrento's thing until it gets any new news. Maybe a good thing to do, if you want to like scalp any further, maybe put a buy on it for $4.50, $4.60, $4. Like, think about it this way, guys. It's not outrageous to think that it will drop back down to 3, 4 at this rate just until it gets more news. It's ridiculous that they're not getting held up to the standards they should be, because this is funding that they could, like, if they knew that they had all this stock behind them right now while they have this findings, it'd be awesome to have all that funding, but it's God. Yeah, pacing it. Yeah, no, exactly. And I think everyone's got the same exact idea where, yes, it'll be a while till any more news is out. So they're going to write it down. I think there's going to a great large group that is writing this, like, watch. It's got, yeah, look how much attention this has, especially in buy. They're doing nothing but just kind of playing the game right here a little bit. But this is all signs of a healthy stock, guys. They are playing this game. They're drawing it down. It's still in a high purchase power. They know this is going to come back around with good news. So don't fret on it. It's your choice if you want to keep throwing in as it gets lower. That's like, it's a move. But it's a move that's going to wait till take turn. And what I say is next time Sorrento has great news, sell it on the spike and put into it when it has that little dip, no matter how little it is, because it'll always have a dip. But no, Sorrento's got a new thing now, which is they're going to try to drag it down just to get better prices while it goes up. If you have Sorrento, hold it. There's nothing to even stress on this one. Buy alt forfeit, yeah. Like regardless, like it's a strong stock. Like it's gonna come back. People are buying it here and now. They're playing this game because they know it's gonna double, triple whenever they have that news. I myself should actually know. Can I actually buy any? I have $50. Can I buy 20? Let's see. Please deposit this much. You know what? I'll just wait for it to drop a little lower. There's really no point. I have all this money that I'm just like, throw it in. But I'm like, dude, just let it sit. Like, I don't need to spend every dollar I have. Between yesterday, I made $150 so far, so that's cool. Look at that, Genius is at 134. That's cool. Ooh. Beyond, you're gonna be silly. I'm just gonna watch you do silly things. I'm not stressing on that. Yeah. do some silly things beyond. I want to see you do a backflip. All right. Okay, guys, we are approaching 15 minutes till 7 o'clock. Let's see what else we got. So I've been adding 10 a day for Sorrento. Yeah, awesome, D. Hell yeah, man. I'm glad to hear that you're on the same faith train as, sorry, I hate to say faith. Faith is not the word to use because we have good reason of why we believe that this will turn around. And that is because it has a great product. All right. Moving on to the chat, guys. Like, yeah, I think this will base out easy. Genius, you do your thing. Amazon, you were breaking barriers, but they're gonna do a quick sell to just go back up, I believe, because they're breaking barriers. Beyond, yep. All right, I'm done looking at my stuff, guys. All right. So how's it been over here? Got everyone been chilling? It's been good. It's been a healthy chat. It looks like, guys. They're all keeping each other busy, and I'm loving it. Why not buy JCPenney's right now? Well, they are in bankruptcy right now. I believe it's been frozen on JCPenney buying stock. But so what is going to happen with JCPenney stock if you have it currently is it's at zero. You can't sell it. But there's talks of Amazon possibly partnering up or purchasing JCPenney's to start a clothing line via Amazon in brick and mortar stores. So there's an actual chance that JCPenney's may come back. It's too big of a name to fail. I say that because, like, yeah, Amazon may purchase them to stay alive just because of the name. JC Amazon, who knows? Like, but I feel like that'll have a turnaround eventually here. Like, it's hard to imagine that JCPenney's have they never been bankrupt before? Like, geez, I'm pretty sure we've all had moments. Let's see. NNDM. Oh, dude, that Nano Dimensions it's a good purchase, I'd say. Wait for the dip. They are having a sell-off this morning. It looked like. Oh no, look at that. It's still going up healthy. Boom, 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 boom. 1920. No, yeah. Nano Dimensions is going to be a great purchase. I don't know when you will jump on it or what to know where it's going to go. Maybe even, you know what? Let's look up and DM stock target. Maybe they gave it a new target on the fly because of that yesterday. And NDM stock target market beat one analysis of 750, 750. And that was prior to anything, and but that's, like I said, that was just one guy talking about it. Market beat stock. And you're not. Man, it's not going anywhere. What's going on here? 12 months. Yeah, what's going on here? Clickety click click. All right, my stuff's lagging on me. Nano Dimensions had a breakthrough is what they had, man. It's 3D printed circuit boards. So that is an awesome breakthrough. It's had its launch. I don't know how much higher it can go. But it's had a beautiful increase with that. So yeah, if you ever want to get in on things like this, guys, like Nano Dimensions, and just see how it rockets up the day before, like you're like, how do I get in on it? When it's, boosting up overnight, like how do I get in on those wins? Man, when you are doing stock, guys, it's not about seeing what companies are doing good now, like to that degree. It's about seeing, like, it's about looking up the companies that you believe in and look at what they're researching, watch what they're doing. It's usually then that you buy the stock at the all-time lows because, they don't have the notoriety yet, but you are watching what they are making. You're watching what they're doing. You're seeing what they're investing in. You can go to your own town and find companies within your own hometown, and say, hey, what's your game plan? What are you doing lately? How you're earning calls and all that stuff. And you could physically, like, get in with that to the point where, like, I'm feeling confident about this stuff. I feel great about this purchase and all that stuff. You can do that. You can have your heart into this stuff. And that's another reason I like the stock market so much. It's like you can really just look at these companies. Everything's telling the everyday story of what is happening every day. And yeah, it's not just graphs, lines, and money. Like we are paying attention to what's happening every day, guys. Like, it's insane. Like, if breakthroughs are happening and this and that, like, we are knowing the day it happens. Like, I'd like to think, Larissa, thank you. Welcome to the stock family. Hey, everyone, welcome Larissa. All right. It's Larissa if you want to spell it out. But things like this, it's an amazing it's fun. I love this. This is reading the news on what decisions these companies are making, or what the decisions the country's making. It's like amazing. I love it. All right, so what's dropping it down right now? Genius went down to 129. That's nothing. That wouldn't do it. Walmart doing its little dip, and Amazon doing a little dip. That's nothing. All right, yeah. By the end of the day, I'm going to be looking at some great aftermarket ups. Facebook, Amazon, Walmart, aftermarket ups for sure. Genius, man, dude. They just don't know where they want that to go. Watch this. I bet you if we look up the Genius the candle list chart right here, it's gonna look sporadic a little. Not sporadic, but we're gonna see some tall lines, I'm sure. Genius. Okay, it went up there. Oh, we don't have any lines yet because it's still in pre-market. But no, I believe Genius has got everything it needs to take off. Everyone's gonna see how indifferent it is. It's just gonna stay here for weeks. So we're done looking at Genius for weeks, guys. It's that time where we just take our minds off it and move elsewhere. All right, how crazy? Let's see. Tasha says, how crazy? I'm about to get a free course in facility management. Any tips on key areas? Oh, you're talking to Tasha about something? What is it? Replying to Ethan. Ethan, what do you say? I changed my daily schedule. I am a manager for a facilities management company, so I have the flexibility to make my own schedule. From about 7:30 a.m. to 9:30 a.m., I watch the stream. Oh, that is awesome. And make my main moves for the day on the stock markets. Let's see. Then after I get back to work, you are now part of my daily routine. You know what? That does not just deserve a thumbs up. That deserves that care emoji right there, guys. That deserves the care emoji. That is awesome, bro. Ethan, like, I am glad to know that we are part of your new, I love saying the we, because it's not just me. It's everybody here saying good morning to you. Like, this is an awesome regiment that we got going on. Philomena, like, yeah, like, all these faces, all these names, like, Kijo, Philomena, Tasha, like I'm going through the list, like D, Anthony, like everybody's just becoming such awesome regulars, like Nick, like I'm loving this, guys. This is turning out amazingly. Let's see here. I saw Tony. Tony, what's up, Tony? I haven't seen you around too much here. Let's see here. You're looking up the NNDM we were just talking about. Yeah, no, dude, it's an amazing stock. You're just gonna want to watch the candlestick about when its next little sell-off dip will be, and get on the ride. Keep in mind they may sell the rights with how they do this 3D printing and all that stuff. Awesome, but that just means keep in mind, ear to the ground, always watching news, especially what you have stock in. All right, if you're not looking up news with what you have stock in, like, what the hell are you doing? Facebook doing weird beyond me. I don't care how you doing. Amazon doing a quick little dip up there. All right, it's amazing how easy those show through. Amazon might do a quick little dip. Like I said, it was touching its top, but it already had a sell-off, so why sell right back off? I think they're going to realize, yeah, the direction to go is up at this point. You already had the dip. Like, why dip up, down? There's no reason for it. The next trajectory is, yeah, up. 18, 19 overnight, it went up. Woo! Yeah, great stuff. Okay. No. I got you, Tony. I'm just talking about you being a new name, Tony. All right. But yes, let's see here. Great to learn. No pressures, of course. All right. So, Tony, did I address what you were going on about right there? Yeah. With the nano, it's gonna take off, dude. I can't wait. You had another question though. Thoughts on buying at a dip for a day trade? Oh, let's see. Thoughts on buying at a dip for a day trade? Are you talking about more for nano? You can. Like, you can buy the dip, sell at the top, and it would be just instant. I don't know, $100 if you wanted. Let's see. And then DM again. Yeah, it's about to have it sell off wherever it's gonna be. Like, when you start, like, I'm serious, watch the candlesticks, know where it's gonna have its traction to hold. But here, yeah, it's gonna do its little sell off right now from looking so beautiful. It might even be all the way down to 367, 350. It might even hit between it. It might hit between right here. But yeah, now is the time to keep an eye on Nano. Jump on it. And then yeah, but a quick sell though. Like look for no more than 50 cents to a dollar increase. Let's see here, because this was at 367, 467. Look at a 70 cents to a dollar grab. If anything, maybe even just a 50 cents to a 75 cents grab. That way you can just guarantee it, make sure of it. Well, I use the word guarantee, but you can't use the word guarantee in stock market. But with how they're taking off, I truly believe you can buy on a dip. When you see some green on there at the end of the day, just feeling good, you're like, you know what? Yeah, I'll pocket $50, I'll cash it, whatever, pocket 100, whatever you got. But yeah, man, if you know how to play it just right, watching them candlesticks, I think it would be a great move. Let's see, what do you got on? Let's see, the casinos are going to be opening up, so they'll probably be making more social distancing machines that we needed. Got it. Thank. Who are you talking about on that one? Philomena? Are they talking about Penn? What are they talking about? Oh, Vissel. What is Vissel? Hey, Philomena, thank you for replying on that one. I love that my chat is literally just all up in the chat. We're sexy, I swear. Oh no, this is something else. All right, Visling Technologies. This is from Kristen Ann. Thoughts on this stuff? It's launching up hella high for pennies and everything. Ooh. Getting back to what it's been at. Potential 1 month. Ooh, actually, buy sell. Their earnings are confusing the hell out of me. Visling Technology. Why are they jumping now? Vissel stock. We go to news. Technologies is 39 year to date. 1 year is still time to buy. That might be a quick cash grab right there as well for a day trade. But no, let's see, up. It's heading in the right direction. 3 months back. 1 year. This is looking like a healthy sell off is what this one is. So if you ever find it around like 26 cents, boom, grab. But it's on an incline though. That's why people are making these quick moves. Resistance, 27, 21, 27, one a little higher. Boom, big sell off. 9:30 first, second, 8, 9, 10, 11. I think they're doing a great job. I think this might be a good cash grab as far as penny stocks goes. Look at how every time they have the dip, it's coming right back. It's settling a little bit above it, It's very iffy, but as far as like, you could probably ride the week out and see if it might get another, like, yeah, I think it's running in such a way that it might actually get another tip here. But be careful with it, of course, as anything. Watch the candlesticks. But no, that's a healthy. Look at that, 3 months in. Yeah, people are using this as a quick cash grab for sure, but it's working. Candlestick.com. Yeah, Michael, that's the one I use over here on the side. Oh, no, I'm sorry. Tradingview.com. Tradingview.com. I'm going. Yeah. No, tradingview.com. Sorry about that, bud. Massive. Okay, you're looking at nanotechnologies on the books. NNDM. Hey, Kristen, thanks for liking the stream. Hell yeah. Seriously, guys, when you like the stream, that helps us get to the top of any kind of groups that we're sharing our video to. So go ahead, keep liking it, keep loving it. All right. But yeah, let's look at the books like you were saying. They're doing a cross. Wait. Oh, if you can grab snag, I think it's gonna do a thing. 10. If I can do it. All right, nano dimensions for $10. Let's just see what I can do. All right, nothing big. I believe this would be the moment to grab. I believe I read the. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, I wasn't reading that. What was I looking at? Oh, holy smoke. Yeah, this right here. That's what got me looking at. So this is trippy. They put a hold on it for a moment. I believe because they were gonna sell off hard, too heavy. And then so like, oh, this is what might regret it a little bit. That twist, they held it because it was doing a crazy sell off. Look at this purchase. Boom, 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 blah, blah, blah. Sell off. It's gonna get a little screwy. Sell off the 406, 406. Yeah, getting really screwy right now. Well, it's gonna even back out again. But yeah, no, I just jumped on it right here because, like I said, it's getting screwy. I would like to see what comes of it. Didn't mean that's when you jump on, but it looked like that's where that sell dip is about to finish off. I think, yep. I think that sell dip's about to finish off. I think it's going to find its rebound here soon. Let's see it. I think it'll be somewhere right around here. So it's doing its drop. Like I said, all the way to possible that 340 to 350. And then I'm hoping to see a bounce from there. And if it bounces from there, that is showing that would be great health. Oh, look at that. Other way around. Going fighting the other way. Yeah, but no. Yeah, I'm curious to see how this one works out, especially throughout the day. Zoom. What's going on with Zoom right now, buddy? Got an eye out on that? Oh yeah, holding it. Yeah, good job on the suggesting on the hold there. Ooh, is it gonna go for a dip? Oh yeah, great time to buy Zoom, especially on this last dip right here. But yeah, it's gonna do a quick little sell off, maybe even to right here, my guess. But yeah, no, good call out on that one, Nick. For everyone looking at the Zoom right there. So let's do one last little quick portfolio view before we back out of here. So far after reallocating things, Walmart, you're doing something stupid. You're being silly NNDM, but like I said, I picked up NNDM on like the tip. I'm just curious to see what'll happen with it. Walmart doing its thing, but I think it's just doing a sell-off because it's been doing good. Yeah, it's just gonna end up coming right back. So I have Walmart where it's at 20. Good, I didn't put more into that. I did purchase more Facebook. Facebook is on its way that way. Good trajectory. Beyond, I just got that for poops and giggles. Amazon is so close to breaking some records right here that it just might do it. We'll see. People are trying to keep this lid on it, but I would like to think we can break past it. Yeah, and I would like to think we can break it. Gotta happen sooner or later. So Amazon, yeah. And then so what we did as a stream today, we put in $500 on Genius. We did it at 133 as an average. I probably, like I said, I could have dropped that at 130. I was debating about it, but it's pennies, guys. It's pennies. All right. Yeah, so we'll see how that one does for a month. Maybe just like not just square month, but at least till that June 15th when Genius does their going live. And then yeah, we'll see what we do with it then. Guys, we have hit 7 o'clock. We bought Genius. We've had a great talk. Like, guys, it's been a nice live comment section the whole way through. We have a whole lot of new family members today. I think today was a great success. We'll go back here. Let's finish it on this note here, looking at that guy. Oh my goodness, I can't stress enough with all the thanks and love, just getting out of bed in the morning and just seeing everybody. Like, seriously, I look forward to seeing all your names. I see it already. I'm gonna wake up in the morning, I'm gonna hit live, and within a minute I'm gonna see Badin going first, right? Like, it's what's gonna happen. Like, is anyone gonna beat him to it? Like, it's the new game, guys. Who's gonna beat Badin to the first comment? Who's gonna do it? All right, it's my challenge to all you there. All right, beat Badin to the first comment. All right, even though I go live at 5:30 in the morning, guys, I still, you know, it's about a 5-minute pre-show. Jeremy, thanks for being part of the Stock family now. Everyone, welcome Jeremy to the Stock family. But yes, I do about 5 minutes of pre-show, so you can see me about then. I usually, hey Nemi, thanks for the follow. Welcome Nemi to the Stock family. But yeah, I usually have the 5-minute pre-show. We're up there just getting things squared away, getting ready, saying good morning. We're drinking our drinks. And so, Marlene, thanks for the follow. Hell yeah. So, you know what? I think everyone right now is about to catch up to that follow button right now. So, as it happens, welcome everybody's names that you see at the top right here. Welcome to the Stock family. If you are brand new to this, we are Stock Talk 2020, where we are nothing but family. We have no shit talking. That's as much shit talking as you're going to hear. And but no, it's all about family based, bringing each other up, coalescing around that, and just having a great family to wake up in the morning and saying good morning to. What are you hearing about stocks? This is the new routine we're trying to get for you guys. We would like you to come back Monday through Friday, 5:30 PST, Pacific time, to say hello. Like I said, 5 minutes prior or so, we have the pre-show where everyone's just getting up and ready, where everyone's saying good morning, talking about what stocks we're looking out for. This is a community that you haven't been part of yet. This is a community that is not even out there to be part of, all right? It's here. All right, so thank you for finding us, guys. This has been an amazing stream. We have a whole lot of new family members. So find us. Oh, sorry, I was saying it. We have a Stock Talk 2020 family gathering group that you can find through the page. I'm sure someone here can direct you to it. But no, it'll be your new favorite stock group. We are only up to about almost going on 200 members in that, but it is live every day. Everyone's talking. We have the most refreshing base you could possibly find, I would say. So hit the follow if you haven't, hit like if you haven't. I look forward to seeing you guys tomorrow, bright and early with your caffeine. Same, I can't stress enough, guys. Always fun. Always a great day with you. Peace out.
Do it! Just do it! Don't let your dreams be dreams. Yesterday, you said tomorrow. So just do it! Make your dreams come true! Just do it! Some people dream of success while you're gonna wake up and work hard at it. Nothing is impossible. You should get to the point where anyone else would quit, and you're not gonna stop there. No, what are you waiting for? Do it! Just do it! Yes, you can! Just do it! If you're tired of starting over, stop giving up.
All right, guys. Peace out. See you tomorrow.
Giving